Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And then we're gonna play Mystery Exposed. I know it's supposed to be Murder Mystery 2, but now I'm playing a copycat, I think. Let's play! Let's play since you like my other murder mystery. I guess you like another one. So this is, those boxes in the real murder mystery too. They're so expensive. Except, look, I have all of these because they're like free. Don't mind how many coins I have, okay? But all of them are free. Also, I got this gemstone and this. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, wow. I could afford everything. GG. Let's see first. Who's the murderer? He is the murderer. Who's the murderer again? Oh, this is the murderer. 'Cause look, she has something. I can move. Ooh, sheesh. Camper is on the loose. Camper is on the loose. Great hiding spot, okay? Camper is on the loose. I would die for my life because I really want those coins. I need this. Ooh, okay. She won! No, she won! Why did he hide here? More like everyone knows that hiding spot. I love myself. Oh wait, I need. Eh.
Ayan na si Angel Andal, Our Lady of Peace School at si Lieutenant Colin Margao ng Parañaque National Police. Correct. At kayo pakinggan natin ang komento at ulit.
Please just choose house two. Please, I want house two. I want house two. No. I'm the sheriff? Oh yeah, look at this thing. I'm gonna win for sure. I think I'm never going to win. I don't trust anyone. Oh, get away! Ah, get away from me! I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust anyone. Who got killed? Not them. I don't trust you.
Pakinggan natin ang ating punong hurado, Marcos.
Ah! Oh no. Ah, I can't move! What the? Please get away from me. I know the murderer. Please just come out so I can kill you. Ah! No! I'm so bad at the sheriff! Oh man! you. Thank you for shooting. Let's see how what is my profile. Profile. I never win as a sheriff. Obviously, these are my weapons. This is the set. This is the random. This is the random. This is the random. This is the random. Four. I lost. Oh my god. Girl, what?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at dalawang
Why
estudyante
is there two
papapasikat sa
here?
tawag ng tanghalan sa school show.
Don't mind the showtime.
Maraming salamat.
Oh yeah. Saan yun mo? I guess I'm the innocent? Of course I am. Ooh, jeez, that's harsh. My coin. It will be so cool. It will be so cool if they can spectate while we're in the game. Yeah, like, yeah. I'm scared. I'm I'm just gonna collect these coins and I'm safe. Mm. I'm scared. If I were a fool, nothing I could understand. Okay, let me just trade this person. Yes! We actually up. Oh my god! Oh, now I just here. Whoa. Dark. I do like this one. Which one? Probably do this one. Please, I need to win. I'm scared. Comment if you guys want to be friends with me. My username is cutemaxine1234. Let me just type that there. This is my username, cutemaxine1234. Okay, and my avatar is obviously just a fairy with some glasses on top. Okay. Oh, I need more coins. How much money do I reach the 1000s. Okay, what should I buy? Pets? No. I won. She a buddy, she knows she a tan. She a buddy with her buddy friend. I just need to make me a murderer. No, actually, no, I don't want to be a murderer. This like street. If I were a boy, comment down below which do you think I should get the job being a singer when I grow up. Really? I'm innocent. I'm Inicento. Those what Sunny and Melon says, right? Oh yeah. You guys don't know Sunny and Melon. If you do, comment heart emoji. I found a secret spot. Bruh, nah. Let's do a little bit of shopping. Girl, everything is free. I don't know what I have to do with this money. Like, what do I do with the money? Oh, there's way. What? Quick. I need the ocean. Decline. I can't move. Okay. Okay, guys, let's just end the video because my friend is calling me. Okay, bye, guys. See you in part 2.